and subscribe WB.
Welcome to Phonics Town, where sounds are all around. Every letter comes alive, making a joyful sound. A is for apple, B is for ball, boo boo. C is for cat, D is for dog. Phonics Town, let's sing and play. Phonics Town sounds like the way. Letters, talk, and sounds unite. Learning here is pure delight. E is for elephant, E. F is for fish, F. G is for goat, G. H is for hat, I is for ice, I. J is for jellyfish, J. Phonics Town, let's sing and play. A is for kite, K. L is for lamp, L. N is for moon, N is for nest, O is for oar, P is for cat, P is for pen, Phonics Town, let's sing and play. Phonics Town sounds like the way. Letters, talk, and sounds unite. Learning here is pure delight. Q is for queen, K. R is for rocket, R. S is for sun, S. T is for tree, G. U is for umbrella, U. V is for vase, Vite. Phonics Town, let's sing and play. Phonics Town sounds like the way, Letters, talk, and sounds unite. Learning here is pure delight. So wave goodbye, but don't you frown. We'll see you soon in Phonics Town, where letters sing and sounds abound. Phonics Town is the best around.
Like and subscribe WB.